I made this overhead camera arm mount in less than 10 minutes. Let me show you how you can too. So for this particular tutorial, I decided to use my Wen rotary tool simply because at the time of the recording, I didn't have any other tools like a drill or anything. So this was the easiest, most accessible way for me to be able to do and accomplish what I need to accomplish for this particular task. So as you see right here, I'm just adjusting the speed, and now I'm just selecting the appropriate drill bit piece so that I can start the project. So this particular tool came with 2 size drill bits. They're both pretty small, so I mean the sizing really doesn't matter. But if you want to have a couple more options, you will probably have to buy another kit. So now I'm making a mark on the cap, which is going to be the end piece for my mount. So as you see here, I am trying to drill a hole into the cap for my screw. Yeah, you saw that right. The drill bit broke. Yeah, I wasn't too happy when that took place, but I'm not gonna give up. I'm just gonna continue moving forward, I guess. I have no choice. Yeah, and as you can see, it barely even penetrated through the cap. So let's hope this works out. Yeah, as you can see here, it just completely split in half. Extremely shocking, but I do know that a lot of these kits tend to come with extremely fragile accessories, so we're going to make this work. It is an additional one that comes in the kit. This one is almost half the size of the previous one that I'm using, but I got to make it work out. So one of the things I did notice is that it probably broke because of the weight of the actual rotary tool itself. So I just went on ahead and decided to use the flex shaft to see if that would actually make a difference. So let's see if it works. So here I'm just replacing the cutlet so that it can fit the smaller drill bit. Okay, moment of truth. Yes, absolute success. So it clearly was the weight of the rotary tool itself because it penetrated like butter. So now I'm adding the hook that will be specifically for hanging your weights. So I made sure to add the screw nut on the inside to ensure that the hook was secure to the cap. So this cap is specifically going to attach directly to the phone camera mount. So if you have a cell phone, the mount that you buy to hold your cell phone, this cap will screw right into that. But if you have a camera, the camera tends to have a little mount that's at the bottom of the camera. It'll also screw into that as well. One thing I want to make clear is that when you are drilling a hole into these caps, make sure that the hole is smaller than the actual screw itself. It should be kind of hard for you to actually screw it in. So, as you see in this part of the film, I am screwing the cap into the mount itself, and as you can see, it's a perfect fit. And here I am attaching it to the other end of the arm, and this is a display of the entire arm mount itself. Here's the weights. I just added some extra stuff on there to make sure that it's heavy enough to hold my phone. So here I'm adjusting the arm to properly distribute the weight. So this is called a camera mount clamp, and this is what I'm using to hold the camera arm in place, and it's solid. So I have 2 of them that came in a kit, and here's the final result. I have been using this camera arm mount for almost 2 years now. I know I'm late on posting this tutorial, but better late than never. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Enjoy.